Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making Dum Aloo. These are not the traditional Kashmiri Dum Aloo, but I would call them Banarsi Dum Aloo. For this I'm going to be using baby potatoes. I've parboiled them and lightly fried them to give a little coating. So let's get started. Add some ghee. I'm going to melt some ghee, to which I'm going to add all the whole spices now once the ghee is hot. Cumin seeds, peppercorns, cinnamon, cloves, cardamoms, green cardamoms crushed. Once these spices release their flavor, I'll add in some ginger, tomato puree, khoya, salt. At this point, if it feels a bit dry and you're not able to melt the khoya well, you can add a little water. Red chili powder, some slit green chilies. We'll add some thinly sliced ginger, cream or malai, a little bit of water, now we'll add in our boiled and fried potatoes. Now we'll cook till the gravy coats the potatoes, which is about 3 to 4 minutes. So now potatoes look good. You can see the masala is well cooked. The oil has come up. So switch off the flame and we can plate it. Our Dum Aloo is ready. Let's garnish it with some coriander leaves. It's a good dish for during fasting time. Do try and leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll be back with some more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.